So the half kneeling shoulder external rotation with a band is just another isolation drill for the rotator cuff, particularly the external rotators, obviously, that being the teres minor mostly, as well as the infraspinatus. However, there are a few other things that are going to participate here too. As far as the setup goes, by setting up in a half kneeling position and having the elbow at the same height of the shoulder, as well as having the arm slightly horizontally adducted, this will put us in a position where it's most advantageous to get the humerus to kind of move congruently in the socket. And this is also going to challenge the integration of the upper and lower body. For some of you who are lacking that upper lower body integration, the setup of the half kneeling position might actually change your capacity to rotate through the shoulder. If you're more efficient at stabilizing your spine and your breathing mechanics are more efficient when you have one hip flexed versus the other, that will consequently affect where you're able to put pressure into your rib cage, and then consequently affect the length tension relationships in your scapula and your shoulder, and may limit you in internal or external rotation. So we want to focus on setting up in a position, whether that's the same side hip flexed or the opposite side hip flexed, that's going to allow us to get the most efficient movement in the shoulder, and then we can progress the challenge from there. As you are rotating, particularly into your end range of external rotation, make sure that your rib cage and your spine don't move out of position to accommodate the shoulder. Push into the end range of the shoulder and the capacity you have there. Hold for a brief second and then return to your start position. Be mindful of letting the elbow drift either up or down, front or back. Keep it in one place, and be mindful of driving the motion from the shoulder musculature, not the arm.